Hello, welcome. Thank you for being here. My name is Alex, and this is my yoga YouTube channel. I am here with a yoga class that requires no props. All levels are welcome to enjoy. We're going to start out in a child's pose. Walk the hands out and away from you. On an exhale, bring the forehead down. Take a few rounds of breath as you bring yourself to the present moment. Commit to the present moment. Let go of whatever was going on before, whatever you want to do later. Be here right now. Press up to a tabletop. One cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Shift the weight forward a little bit. Exhale, round. Neutral. Back to a child's pose, just for the exhale. Inhale to tabletop and arch the back. Breathe in. Exhale as you round and press back to child's pose. Let's keep going. Inhale forward. Round, exhale. Once more. And round, sit back. Present moment. Press up to a tabletop and extend the right leg back and up. Knee faces down. We're just about hip height. Extend the left arm forward. Reach the fingertips away from the toes. Elbow to knee. Press and round. Extend and lengthen. Hi, Caesar. Bring the left hand down to the mat. Bring the right toes to the mat. We're going to press into the hands and the right foot. Bring the left knee to the nose, round the back. Lower the left knee. We're going into a modified side plank. Kick the left foot out a little bit. We're going to lean on the left hand, left shin. Right foot is down. Right arm reaches up. Let's press into the right foot, left hand, and bring the right arm overhead. Side body stretch. And back to a tabletop. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Stay in tabletop. Neutral. Left leg lifts back and up. Right arm extends. Engage the core. Elbow to knee. And extend. Right hand down. Left toes down. You might stretch the calf a little bit. Press to lift the right knee toward the nose. Round. Setting up our modified side plank. Lean on the right side of the body. Left arm reaches. Let's reach the left arm overhead. Side body stretch. Press the left foot. And back to a tabletop. One cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Neutral. Downward facing dog. Open up the entire back body. Lift onto the toes. Ripple through, upward facing. Downward dog. Once more. Ripple through. And press back. Lower your knees to the mat. Turn to face the long edge of the mat. Left foot in, right foot out. Reach the left arm up and over. Try to recreate the stretch we felt in that modified side plank. Maybe adding on. Sit up, baby wild thing. And sit down, switch sides. It's humid out today. Right arm up and over. Right Caesar. Lift out, baby wild thing. And sit down, left foot in. Sit up tall, roll the shoulders back and down. Get any kinks or bubbles that might have popped up. Smoothing those out. On an inhale, lift the arms overhead. On your exhale, twist to the right, float the hands down. Reach up through center. And twist to the left. Closing breath. Inhale, sweep the arms wide, lift them overhead. Exhale, closing breath. Lower the hands down. Close the eyes for a moment. Soften the temples. Gratitude for your presence. Gratitude for every single moment, every experience, each breath. Let's blink the eyes open. Hi, Caesar. Blink the eyes open. Reabsorb the light. Be grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Namaste. Namaste. Short and sweet, like Caesar. All right, guys, how's your week going? How's things? Have you added me on Instagram, or does anyone know what like-to-know.it is? Do you, Caesar? Meow? He does. Just curious. If you do, let me know. I'm on there. And I hope everyone's doing well. It's nice and humid here. And, ooh, bright. Thumbs up, share this with all your people. Namaste. Caesar.